Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're at the tire now. Quickly confirm safety and stop on firm ground with the handbrake engaged. Open the trunk and take only what you need: jack, lug wrench, plug kit, compressor, gloves, so you can move fast. Inspect the puncture. Determine if it's in the tread or sidewall, because plugs won't hold a sidewall tier. Once you know the spot, loosen lug nuts one turn so the wheel won't spin when you jack the car up. Once the car is raised at the correct lift point, fully remove the lug nuts and take the wheel off. Set it flat and stable. Use the reamer to clean and enlarge the puncture slightly. This helps the plug bond. Then thread the repair plug onto the insertion tool and push it into the hole until about 2/3 remains outside. Pull the tool out sharply so the plug stays. Trim any excess flush with the tread and press around the seal to make sure it seats properly. Put the wheel back on, start the lug nuts by hand, and tighten in a star pattern so the wheel seats evenly. Once down, lower the car enough to keep contact and snug them further. Inflate the tire to the vehicle's recommended PSI using the compressor, then inspect for leaks by applying soapy water. Bubbles mean a problem. Lower completely, torque the lugs to spec, and drive slowly. Make sure to recheck pressure and the repair after about 5 to 10 miles. If leaking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.